We are back. We are so back. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing 2026, and if you're tuned in and watching, thank you so much for your support and your patience. 2025 was an insane year, but 2026 so far, knock on wood, has been great. So we're gonna keep it that way. I wasn't able to post a lot or really pour into my hobbies, YouTube being one of them, because I was working full-time. Now that I'm no longer working full-time, yay, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I now have time to pour into my hobbies, things that I enjoy doing, and so I'm really excited. The year started off with a big move. I moved from Ocala to the Tampa Bay area, so that was really, it was a lot, but it was much needed, and I'm really excited to be back in the Tampa Bay area. So I just wanted to make like a little life update video. We had the big move February, we had birthday celebrations, we had to buy more furniture. My little 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment went from that to a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. And so of course we had to buy bigger furniture. And so I do a lot of research, and I'm really picky when it comes to these things. So it took forever for us to get a couch because I had to pick like the perfect one. I wanted to curate the living space to the vibe that I wanted, which is basically these colors and a lot of organic neutrals, which is what I really like to be around, vibe around, chill around. I am still decorating the household. I haven't finished yet, even though we are now in April, but I'm gonna make a couple videos of that too, just to follow along of like how I'm doing with my little bit of interior decor. And to me, it's really fun. I enjoy doing it. We're gonna follow along on that journey. Another goal that I had for this year is to basically get in the best shape of my life. And so I'm on a weight gain journey because I'm 5'9". I'm all legs, and I just want to be stronger. And I also wanted to do some self-defense here and there. And what else did I have planned for this year? Horseback riding. I want to do horseback riding. And then what was the other? Basically that and YouTube, really. I know I had something else, but it flew the coop. I'm mostly doing video logs. So with my ADHD, I know that I get distracted a lot. So I've been starting to do video logs so that I can hold myself accountable. I don't know if that makes sense. Hold myself accountable and kind of keep up, and also track my progress as far as literally everything. And then I also want to, of course, continue with my journaling because I'm obsessed with journaling. I'm obsessed with writing, stickers, scrapbooks, everything that has to do with that creative outlet is just so fun to me. So I'm going to be making videos along those lines. As far as a filming and posting schedule, I would love to be doing 3 times a week, 3 videos a week. I would just love to if I could, and I really want to lock in. Lately it's been a little bit difficult with my sinus infection. First, it was the kids got sick, then my menstrual cycle came, and now it's a sinus infection. And I was just like, I'm gonna do it anyways, because I'm such a perfectionist and I'm my own worst critic that I just won't do it unless it's perfectly this way. And I just realized that way has gotten me to do nothing. Like, I've just not done it because I'm just waiting for things to be perfect, I'm not doing that anymore. Not in 2026. I'm just gonna go when the energy is ripe and just do my best, because I'm just doing stuff. You know, I'm just doing stuff this year. I'm going after what makes me happy, and having this as a creative outlet is just so fun to me. Editing is my favorite part of it. Curating my own thumbnails via Canva, I love doing that as well. So it's just something that I've always had a passion for, that I wanted to do, and I just haven't had the opportunity or the time. And so now I'm kind of like, okay, I get to stay at home. I can make time for this. I'm going to do my best and make time for it because I am a mom. So that being said, being a mom is like a full-time job times like 10. So one of my little ones has ADHD as well. So high energy, go, go, go. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was self-care. I've started taking these magnesium salt baths. What do you call it? Hold on. I'm going to grab it. Okay. Okay. These, and also the one in lavender. I think the lavender might be my favorite. Eucalyptus is so good. It's been such a game changer for me. Just sitting in that water and meditating, like in the salt water type, like, what's 11 from Stranger Things? That. Okay, I sit in there and I'm like, I can see things. Like, I'm just like meditating, like, okay, what is my week gonna go like? This is exactly what I'm gonna try to do. It's been great. You guys should do it. You guys should do it. But that's just like one of my little self-care thingies that I felt like sharing. Still on the self-care topic, as far as hair goes, all my curly hair girlies, if you guys want to chime in the comments and let me know, like, if I'm doing it or if I'm not, and you guys want to give me some tips, that would be great. I am currently using the Shea Moisture, the shampoo, Curl and Shine shampoo, conditioner, and then the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. These are what I've been using right now, and honestly, I like it. I know the humidity in Florida, I'm gonna have poofy hair no matter what. That's fine. Like, it's gonna poof up. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm still learning. I need to get a diffuser. That's the one thing that I haven't got, and I've been told that if I use the diffuser, it's gonna have really good results as far as like cohesiveness within my hair. So I'm gonna give that a try. I'm gonna order a diffuser, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see how that goes. As far as other self-care, I had a chip front tooth. I got my chip front tooth fixed finally. I have an appointment for teeth whitening because I kind of always wanted to do that. And then I scheduled the consultation. There's room for growth. There's room for enlargement in everyone's life. And so I'm just going for it. It's one of the things that I really wanted for myself. So I'm really excited. Like, I'm so excited. Facial cleanser. My face skin, I wanted to share these as well. I, on my face, don't really like to do too much as far as like skin prep and skincare because I don't like introducing too much to my face. So I like double cleansing. I start with this Prequel. They have it at Target. This is Cica oil, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, and rice bran oil. Clinically tested, non-comedogenic. I like to wash my face with this, and then I'll go in with an exfoliator just for my face. I like to exfoliate my whole body. I don't know what it is about it. I just love to exfoliate my whole body. I also have glycolic acid that I do use. I don't use this every day, but I do use, like, depending on like how heavy my makeup was, or like after this, I'm using it. My favorite moisturizer that I will recommend to everyone on the planet because it is the best moisturizer ever. It gives me such wonderful makeup results. It's just so good. I promise you, it's just so good. A melatonin cream that helps retain the best condition of skin by giving brightness and natural beauty to dull and tired skin due to fatigue and stress in the busy modern life. Melatonin liposome 5%. When you open it, the pump, it's like this. It's so good. It's just so good. I use it on my face and my hands. It's really is such a good moisturizer. Follow along with me while I basically romanticize my life to the fullest that I possibly can and turn my life into a Pinterest board, as well as my home, as well as my children's bedroom, as well as my outings, and just like make the most out of it. Because in the times we're living in, I'm gonna just opt out of losing my mind. You know, I'm gonna opt out of constant anxiety and fear because it just drives you insane. But anyway, I'm back. I'm back, baby. And thank you so much. If you've watched the video for this long, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your patience, and I will see you in my next video.